Hello, my name is Nidhina and I am a summer intern at Modeling Bar. Today I am going to speak about the importance of IT in translation. Over the years, translation has gone through many changes, and since the urge of personal computers, rapid changes have been made. The use of technology in translation works has become increasingly more important and the process has become more efficient. Only a few centuries ago, the main mode of translation was through ink, quill pens, paper, and now most translation takes place on computers, and the quantity of translations have sharply risen. Here are some of the benefits of modern technology in translation industry. The translation from hard copies to electronic copies have greatly eased the life of translators. Dictionaries can be one of the most significant things a translator can possess for their work. However, having a dictionary with hundreds of pages is not convenient, and there are multiple languages that needed to be translated. This can become a problem. Dictionaries are also not suitable to be taken anywhere and can be very heavy. In contrast, a computer based dictionaries can be accessed anywhere and save a lot of space. Electronic versions of dictionaries tend to be cheaper and there is no paper, no ink, and no shipping. They reduce the amount of time to do the research and speed the process of searching words and can be accessed from multiple platforms such as mobiles, laptops, tablets, and etc. The translation process involves research to make sure the translation is written appropriate in the context. The books, articles, or newspaper might have been consulted to create an appropriate translation. Before the internet, these resources would unnecessarily be usually accessed from libraries. Even then, there are no guarantee that the information could be found in libraries. With the access to the internet, most research is no further than 2-3 clicks away. This is a time saving process for translator and it also enhances the quantity of translation. The internet has also been a whole revolution for the industry in a different way by providing more tasks to be translated. Traditionally, translations have come in the form of political, religious, and literary texts. However, there are a whole new range of text that has been translated, such as websites, computer softwares, subtitles for streaming services. With such a wide variety of contexts, there is a focus on requirement of specific audience in geographic, linguistic localities, often referred to as localization. In today's ever changing and fast paced digital landscape, technology plays an ever increasing role in our daily lives. From how we listen to the music, search for information, and even market and sell products and services, technology has revolutionized the way we live in, interact, shop, and so much more. Following global technology trends and the procurement and production of translation services are no different. While one may assume that translation is simply a matter of typing words on a screen, one may then wonder, why do we need technology in translation? In the past, translation was relatively simple affair. Translators often hand wrote their translated content, used a typewriter, or even dictated to a transcriptionist who would then type out the translation. When it came to research, translators relied on set of specialized dictionaries to look up difficult terms. Of course, it was often painstakingly slow process. However, the advent of personal computers, email, and internet, the translation process changed dramatically. Translators were able to increase their productivity and efficiency dramatically. This came just in time to meet the coming challenges of the information age, where the amount of online content and that necessitate translation to meet a much more global audience began to explode. The next great leap in translation technology came in the form of computer assisted translation and translation memory tools such as STL, Trados, WordFast, MemoQ, and many others. These software tools work by breaking down the content into segments and then work as a translator works through the document. The software saves the translated content into the database, which then can be reused later on the same document or future related translation projects. CAT tools can use to leverage repetition contents to decrease the client cost and also improve the translation efficiency, consistency, quality, and offer additional features such as terminology management. Another key revolution in the translation services industry has come in the form of process improvement and project management. Many systems develop their softwares to fit the unique need of the individual language service providers. Have also helped to change the technology landscape in the translation and localization industry. These systems focus on managing translation and localization process to workflow with a high degree of automation. They provide dashboard management functionality for key processes such as document analysis, for providing codes, translator assignments, cloud based file transfer, quality control integration with CAT tools, and even content management. Many platforms also provide online portals for clients to submit and receive their files, check the status on the projects real time, and communicate with the translation project managers. Finally, one of the most popular topics when it comes to translation technology in 21st century is machine translation. When most people think of MT, they envision ubiquitous Google Translate, which often provides some amusing translations, although it has steadily improved over the past several years with the introduction of neutral machine translation or NMT and artificial intelligence AI. However, research and development teams have developed other more specialized MT engines that are trained to translate certain type of documents between certain languages. The MT has undoubtedly added a new dimension to translation services industry, and a number of translation providers now offer MT services, which can have an advantage of greatly reducing translation costs, particularly on a larger products where the quality may not be the greatest concern. Hybrid MT solutions have also entered the market with a trained MT engine performing the initial translation and a human editor reviewing and cleaning up the MT output. This is known as Human Assisted Machine Translation or HAMT. However, while the MT technology offers a great deal of promise for the future, it still faces significant obstacles and several distinct disadvantages when compared with the human translation, including the quality, accuracy issues, and high cost of research and development for the customized MT engines. In conclusions, there is no question that technology has continually revolutionized the translation industry and new trends come to emerge. Each of these technology solutions has focused on the key areas of translation, control, quality, efficiency, and the process of improvement, which allows translators and language service providers to provide better services more quickly and meet the continually growing demand of translation and localizing foreign language content, as well as help to drive the cost down for the customers. Thank you.